Kasin Edmunds College Shillong menta kasingi ka arpok handai tarik unailar kala penkutno ya kajing rakhi Spah Snem ka Jingiaid Lynti jongka ha kajing syakriya ka pule puthi ha kajela ha kani kasingi raya syambenta da kinong hikai jongka college kinong syakhot ngobha rengkat kisama pule jongka te ka college ha kajing dan lang Most Reverend Bishop Victor Lingdo ubadai ru Archbishop jongka Shillong Archdiocese ubalong kumukong san pat ha kajing senran lang upada Richard Majau Kumu sembut kongsan rengkat kajing dan lang Vice Chancellor Kanehu Uprabha Shankar Shukla rengkat kiwe kihe sorkar bat kiwe nakaliang kongsan hakajing ajing kran hakani kasngi ulaong kanu kalong kabas ngau sarong yakani ka college ka barala ban Kynjoh sya Lynti ka ba Spah Snem ulaong bakade kajing yo ijngai ka ba khlan jukinong seng baka college kalala ban Kynjoh shadu uni umaumer kalalong ru kajing mentoy ki babun ki samla ba de lengba kajing don jong kani ka jaka puli nakaliang ukongsan kula pelat pat baru ya kador sakan mau jangka college rengkat ke Edmunds Centenary special issue lapan pu pen ping ru ya kajing rakhe da kajing shat jing rwai na kisama pule jangka nika college.
This function that we are going to begin today. And we believe in your strength and your power. And dear Lord, we live in the world where there's so much of challenges and problems. And therefore we believe that the light is something that's important to move on. May you be the light in the world. May you be the light in our life. May you be the light in this college. And may you continue to bless us. We entrust ourselves into your hands. All the teachers, bless all the students. And bless all those who are attending this program today.
To each and every one of you for being here with us today as we in some ways give thanks and praise to God for the 100 years that have been. I would like to acknowledge the presence of each of you this morning and the unstinting support you have always been to St. Edmunds over the many years. We are privileged to have our Archbishop Victor Lingdo, who had no hesitation whatsoever to say yes, and he brings blessings to us. Father Richard said the prayer of invocation, asking us to put our hands in God, to put our lives in God's hand, and then we will be able to achieve a lot. This occasion is also giving us an opportunity.
Journey all these years, walking through my hurdles every day, strong foundation where I stand. Crossing a milestone of 100 years, slowly I watch my family grow. Through all the work put in, with sweat and tears, which are turning now to gold.
all post offices wherever there is postal exhibition center and philatelic bureau. This will also be available in National Postal Museum, New Delhi, for the exhibition to release this special cover on this occasion. Thank you.
Members of the college and the congregation. The pioneers of the college had a very strong vision for the college and the people who will benefit from the 100 years is not a sign of old age, but rather it is an indication of maturity, experience, efficiency and growth. On behalf of Shillong Archdiocese, I wish to express my sincere gratitude to the Blessed Edmunds, the founder of the CFC congregation, and to all the members of the Congregation of Christian Brothers. Let me place on record the gratitude to all the members of the congregation, past and present, as well as the faculty of the institution, for their contribution in the field of education and service to humanity by educating everyone who comes to the door of St. Edmunds institution. Many have achieved greatness because of your committed service, and many feel elated that they have passed through this esteemed institution. Congratulations to the heads and the teaching fraternity and for this great service. Professor Stephen Hawking said, "Try to make sense of what you see and wonder about what makes the universe exist. And however difficult life may seem, there is always something you can do and succeed." My dearest students, strive for the best in life. Aim at the big stars in life, and every success with genuine and committed effort is stardom in itself. Be the best in the way you can. Life will be great for you. To conclude, we are all believers in God, or at the very least, each one of us has our own individual explanations for holding this opinion. It is a struggle for each of us to see God in others and offer our service to Him in the manner He requires. However, we all share the desire to serve God in our own unique way. It is said that if you want to worship God, you can do so by serving humanity. And I believe that good service to humanity comes from a deep personal relationship to God. Once again, congratulations for the centenary celebration. Long live St. Edmunds College. May God bless you. Thank you.
Yes. I just asked them. Yeah, a little bit closer.